Inverting balls.
Fossil Surface University, there it is.
What's up, y'all? Today we're talking chickens. Got a couple to show you. So let's go through the list and see what we got in the barn. What kind of cool birds we can pull out. I'll tell you some crazy stories. Tell you what I got. Show you what I got. Maybe pull out the ducks too and let them run around. So let's check it out. In this stall here, I got a couple of Malaysian chickens. Actually, I got six or seven Malaysian chickens. I just hatched a baby, so we'll get to see that. I'm gonna open up the store and hope that I don't get pecked in the leg. I got absolutely rocked on the ball of my ankle by one of these birds, and I was off my feet for like 2 weeks. No kidding. These things are actually really badass birds. They're super strong, super fast, super tall, and man, they pack a punch. That guy right there is the first bird that we had on this farm, and he has fathered many batches. Actually, one in here. Maybe I can catch it on film. Oh, there it is. I let them naturally hatch the eggs and naturally raise the chicks. Look, it looks like a little ostrich with his long ass legs and neck. Yeah, they're badass birds. You really don't want to mess with them. Look at the size of the spurs on this guy. It's gnarly.
Gnarly, radical.
It's really gnarly. And his tail, he's beautiful. He got me right here one time so hard, I legit was off my feet for 2 weeks. I could not walk. I'll let him get out and get some air. Maybe take the chick with him. It's the chick's first time out, so this will be interesting. Oh yeah, she's nervous for sure. Or he. We really can't tell yet. But gosh, is it cute? Oh my god, look at it. Oh, he's a little raptor. Oh, he's a little raptor. Look at his little fucking raptor run. Shout out my boy Crab Daddy, yes. Hitting the raptor run to the chicken coop. Anyways, I'm gonna give them some space so they can catch up with their crew. Look at that guy. Fierce. Strong. I'm gonna go grab him. We'll get an up close shot. So, still trying to figure out if this was a good idea or not. Probably not, because, you know, he's a little defensive, as he should be. He's got babies and many hens to look after, but you can just see his sheer size. He's a huge rooster. You can check him out. Oh, look at that. Look at his colors. Dude, he's so sick. Oh! We're just gonna flip him. We're just gonna flip him real quick. Boom. Boom. What a good looking guy, dude. He's getting ready to mess me up right now. He's not happy that I got him in a sling. Check out his spurs. No joke, dude. That's the one that went through my ankle. 2 weeks on my ass because of this guy. So strong, dude. Look at the size of him. He's huge. Anyways, big guy, good protector. Great for these birds. They all get along great, but I gotta let him go kind of far away from me because he will mess me up. Oh! Don't play with them. They'll mess you up. I don't. I love them. I love having them. But they scare the hell out of me. They'll take you off your feet for 2 weeks at a time if they hit you in the wrong spot, dude. Sure is a lot of fun though. And I love them. So I continue to hatch and raise them. I got a couple more I'll show y'all. But I'm gonna service their cage and do some other stuff. I'll B-roll it so you can see. I'm gonna try and go pull a female so y'all can see what the female hens look like. Yo, chill. Chill. Damn, dude, I had to put that thing down just to get a word out edgewise. It was crazy. Those guys were not happy about me grabbing that specific hen. I'm gonna see if I can get that other rooster because that is the son of the original bird that I just showed with the green tail. He's the original male that we got on our farm. So you can see the next generation of that bloodline though. Okay, this is his son. I'm trying to keep an eye on him because he's right there. And he's not so happy with me. This is his son. Boom, big boy. We call him El Diablo. He's got some, he's got some decent spurs on him too. He's not really that happy with me, but he's a great looking bird. Jet black, little red, long. I think he's got Phoenix in him. That's why he's got the longer tail. I'm not sure. I was told by the previous breeder that they had some Phoenix pretty far back. I don't know anything about that. Let's check out his spurs. Look at them. Dude, those are no joke. Those are his spurs. Those are not his toes. Rock hard. Very scary. Very scary. Love these birds though. They're so fun. You just don't want to get got by one because, like I said, you get taken out for weeks at a time. Look at that bird, dude. Oh, he's sick. That's why I didn't take him out when I had the boas out, because they're just so much to handle. They're so sick. Check it out. Love it. All right, we're gonna check out the next generation now. So the green rooster down there is the father of this bird. And then there is another female in there that is the mother of this bird. And then we hatched a third generation from these birds. So I'm gonna pull them out now so you can see what the third generation looks like and how much color we actually brought out in that that breeding process. All right, head on in there, dude. Good night, everybody. Chill, 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 chill. All right, next coop. All right, next coop is gonna be this end one. I got a couple boys in there. Usually you're not supposed to keep the boys together like that without at least like 4 or 5 hens for them to break up the tension, if you know what I mean.
Excuse me?
Pause. The reality of that is sometimes you lose a hen, sometimes you lose 2 or 3 hens. You live in the woods, shit happens. Coyotes, bobcats, whatever. I got those two boys left in there because they were raised together. They can live together, but usually that's a no-no. So I'm gonna go pull one of them out so you can see how good that third generation looks. This is my boy, Ricardo. Check him out. He is golden as gold comes. And he's beautiful. So he's third generation. Whoa, hey there, buddy. He's third generation from that first Malaysian rooster that I showed you. And then these guys out in the coop out here came from the black bird. So the white bird birthed all of the birds that are second generation in that stall, and then we put the black bird back with the black rooster and pulled out some crazy combinations. He's got some good spurs on him too. We'll take a look. He lives outside, so he's a little dirtier. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good. He's got some good spurs on him. He's a big guy. I wouldn't mess with him on a bad day. But he's also like my nicest rooster, so, you know, I don't trip. We don't have static. He's a good kid. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Oh, look at the light. Look at the color. I'll take him out in the sun so you can see him in the sun. Honestly, I should be over there. We're gonna do a quick location change. All right, now we're talking sunshine and color. Look at that guy. Dude, that's sick. Look at his blonde. That's amazing. Just a great bird. Great bird. Great rendition of what the third generation of this bloodline I have here looks like, and what you can get out of it. It's incredible. So I'm gonna go grab his brother. He's a little bit more feisty, but he is also third generation. So let me go get him real quick. No, they are not gay, but they do live together. All right, so here's his brother. This is a really super red expression. Whoa, of the same genetics. Whoa, careful there. You know what they say about the red ones. They're the feistiest. And check him out, dude. Wow. He's got some blue on his wing there too. So sick. Such a nice rooster. He's got good spurs as well. Boom. Blades. Blades. Edward Scissorhands out here, dude. Straight blades. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna send him out. He's kind of a dick too, so I'm trying to keep my space, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so that's these two guys. They live together in the coop on the end. And they're great guys, but they are ready to let the ducks out. Crazy. Crazy loud. They're badass though. I love them. Look at that. That's one of my other hens. That's a, I don't know what that's called. A red hen, red barred hen, some shit like that. Rhode Island red, golden star, Rhode Island red. I think that's it. Rhode Island red. She's getting old though. You can see that in her bones. Poor thing. So this is my mix of Cayuga ducks and some mixed Tractor Supply pickups. They are, that's one of my drakes in the back. They are supposed to lay all black eggs because they have a hyper-melanistic appearance. But plot twist, they do not lay all black eggs. Some of them are gray, some of them are in fact green and heavily unappetizing. So, was I scammed on Craigslist? Maybe. Are they still badass ducks? Abso-fucking-lutely, dude. So, I keep them around because I absolutely love having them. And I'm turning on the hose because they're ready to play. There's all my goats hanging out in the field. They farm for their meals. That's gonna be on my first piece of merch. They farm for their meals. It's so funny. Okay, yeah, we can play dead. That's cool too. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Oh yeah, guy's going full vacuum. Oh yeah, full vacuum. Give me the grubs. The grub homie, dude. Alright, that's it. Oh, that's crooked. I could be looking at my belly like the last video. It's hot. I got my coffee. I'm finishing it off. I'm gonna finish up my chores. Get my room that's put away. I'll time-lapse that for y'all, but 90% of this is just the chores I do every day, twice a day. But I have fun doing it, so I'm gonna take you guys with me to check it out. I hope you liked my presentation of badass birds. Hopefully I'll have more in the future. There's been talks about getting some larger birds, so we'll see how that goes. I had turkeys for a while. I bought them, I named them Kim and Kanye. Both turned out to be boys, so we had Kanye East and Kanye West. Both of them got sacked here in the wild, so not a good deal. Probably won't have any more free-ranging turkeys, but do love the chickens, as annoying as they can be. So more of those hatching soon. Keep you guys updated on the baby. Enjoy the time lapse of the goats, and we'll catch you on the next one. Run it back again soon. Here, huh? You're a sleeper. They left you out here to rot. Oh, they left you out here to rot. You are such a good goat. That's my girl right there. Alright. There you go. They're also well trained. I just opened the doors and they run in there. Exactly where they're supposed to be. I got 8 in that stall, 4 in the other end because of their size differences, but I'm fixing to have to move that center stall of birds outside to these outside cages and open up that barn because some of these goats are like 200 plus pounds and they're damn near pushing each other up the wall. So it's about time for me to do something about that, and I will here soon, and probably take you guys with me for that process. Now let's go get the ducks put away. This should be entertaining. I get a hold of one to show the camera. It's not even really a clean one, but you get the picture. All black ducks. Super sick. Super sick. Do not lay black eggs though. I don't know who was the guy that said that, but well,
Maybe it's just mine because they're Craigslist cayugas. We'll never know, but that's okay. I'm gonna go put this guy back. Or girl. I got 2 chickens that live in there with the ducks, and they've been in there so long that they genuinely think they're ducks. And I'll catch them floating around in the water dish on their tummy, looking for mealworms and stuff like that. I just think it's the funniest thing. So crazy. They're so confused. All right. I guess that's it. Thanks for hanging with me. I wonder if you can see me. Probably not. That's all right. We'll see each other again. That wasn't cornball. Maybe we'll end out on some nasty donuts.